There are three reasons to our success in road safety sector. Firstly, our technology. We have a long heritage of developing fully integrated systems with state-of-the-art technologies, enabling them to enforce multiple traffic violations simultaneously. That makes our detection performance and measurement accuracy beyond compare. The court-admissible evidence produced by our road safety solutions ensures procedural legality, including image quality, measurement precision, and traceability. Secondly, our field-proven products. We've been providing road safety solutions for over 50 years and can guarantee that they operate reliably and efficiently in extreme weather conditions, adhering to stringent service level agreements while minimizing the total cost of ownership. Lastly, our local partners. Our industry-leading position attracts top-tier partners worldwide. By fostering long-term partnership, we drive mutual success and significantly enhance road safety across the countries we serve. What makes us different is our pioneering approach of incorporating multiple technologies such as radar, LiDAR, optics, and video analytics to produce premium, reliable, and comprehensive road safety solutions. While our competitors typically specialize in fewer technologies, we combine the strengths of different sensors to achieve superior coverage and performance. Our video analytics algorithms, integrating artificial intelligence, are unrivaled and leverage the same algorithms that earned us the top-ranking position in face recognition vendor test done by the National Institute of Standards and Technologies, the famous NIST in the United States. Our video tracking capabilities are the most advanced on the market. For example, our Mesta Focus product has a detection rate above 95% over 6 lanes for 5 classes of vehicles in dense traffic, whereas products relying solely on radar technology barely detect above 90% of violations for a maximum of 2 classes of vehicles. One of the main reasons is to reassure our customers that we are working tirelessly to live up to our promise of delivering the best technologies available on the market. Another reason is that independent benchmarking tests from an unbiased institute help us stand out from the competition by demonstrating the superiority performance of our algorithms. We ensure full compliance with the local and national specifications by getting our systems approved by the local metrology testing labs. Indeed, road safety regulations vary from a country to another, so obtaining products type approval is mandatory to ensure superiority over low-end standard products as we can find on the market. Our products are all type certified by major metrology institutes in Europe and elsewhere. By rigorous testing of our technologies against industry standards, we not only validate our solutions, but also identify areas of improvement, allowing us to stay ahead of the game and continue to offer cutting-edge road safety solutions.